Hello, this is Isaac Angel and you're watching Where Are We Going? Today I'm going to talk to you about the thing that the ones who live in the Northeast, have to go through every year before winter comes. And that's winterization of our rigs. So that like the winter and the cold temperatures do not damage our plumbing systems. And all I'm going to do is basically grab one of those bad boys. Mine in this case is minus 50 degrees antifreeze liquid, as famously known as the pink liquid, and just run it through my system for winterization. Each trailer, each RV, each van has a different way of doing it, but the idea is the same. You just run this liquid, the antifreeze, through your pipes. It sits there all winter round so that, like, again, your pipes don't get burst with dropping temperatures below freezing. So let's do that. So in my case, I have an Itasca Viva, which also known as the Winnebago Trend. And in your RV or in your van trailer, you need to think of everything, every component that has anything to do with water. So in my case, it would be the kitchen, the bathroom, and that's it. Some RVs would also have a water heater with a tank. Then you have to consider winterizing that as well. In my case, it's an on-demand water heater, so I don't need to winterize that one. But if you have a tank, make sure that you do that. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go ahead and watch previous videos. I have plenty of them that are giving you some tips and tricks about RV life, van life, or taking you through amazing tours and reviews of different rigs out there. So while you're doing that, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So what I typically do, I take a whole 1 gallon of this pink liquid of the antifreezer, and I always dump half of it directly into my black tank and the other one into my gray tank. I take half of it and the other half straight into the gray tank, straight from the sink. So I just basically split this 1 gallon of the antifreeze into 2 different tanks. Also, under my kitchen sink, I have a compartment here that most RVs have it. You just lift it up and then you'll see a little tab in there that you just undo. And next thing you know, it will release all of the water that you have in your freshwater tank. And while that is going on, I'm gonna take you here into my winterizing area of my RV. So as you can see, right now is in normal mode. I have to move it to winterize. And then here it says freshwater drain. In order to drain it all, this needs to be in closed position and this needs to be in open position. And I just did that until it all goes out. I have to be waiting until it's completely out of my tanks, and then I can add my antifreeze. Let's wait. All right, now that I cannot hear the water coming through anymore, I'm just double checking in my control panel, and as you can see, freshwater tanks shows empty. So we can go ahead and close back this tab right here. There we go. All right, so now that it's empty, we are going to put this into the closed position. Okay, I'll bring my liquid, dip this in all the way to the very bottom of it. And now that it's ready, I'm just gonna go inside, turn my pump on. All right, my pump is on, and turn my faucet until the pink, there we go. Now the liquid has turned pink. This is what you want to get. because now it's the antifreeze running through your pipes. I'm gonna stop this right now and go into the bathroom, and I will do the same here. There you go. Beautiful pink water. And I will do the same with the shower. I'm just gonna bring it here. And as you can see, it's already pink. You have to check. It's easier when you have two people, but you're gonna make sure that you're not running out of the liquid. As you can see, I'm already out. I'm gonna add one more, same thing. This goes all the way in. And you can never harm anything, so the more the better. I'm just gonna go ahead and this time I'm gonna turn on the hot water. I wanna make sure that every bit of whatever is standing in my hot water pipes are out of there as well. Just waiting for it to come through. There you go, now it's pink. So don't forget, use it for your hot water as well. You want to make sure that everything that is sitting on your hot water pipes are out of there as well. And that's it. And in my case, obviously, I'm sure it's applicable to everybody if you have a black tank. So you would need to flush so that there you go. You want to see pink in your pipes. And don't be shy, just fill it up. Use the whole gallon. The more the merrier. And over here again, I'm gonna do the hot. See, it's pink immediately. And I'm gonna go back to my kitchen sink and do the hot over here as well. You can see. And you'll see the pink coming through, just like so. So, winterizing is complete. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. And again, if you're new to the channel, go back and watch my other videos where you can find some tricks and mods to make your RV life even more enjoyable. And until the next time, see you on the road.